Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to talk about a multinational electronic retailing and manufacturing company. It is none other than Vaibhav Global Limited. Their journey started with being a conventional gemstone exporter, especially in the jewelry, accessories, and lifestyle product segments of two of the largest economies of the world, the US and UK. Company has been diversifying and now its jewelry items consist of 78% of revenues, while rest 28% revenues are contributed by non-jewelry items like makeup items, body care items, and edibles, etc. In terms of sales, they have sales operation in USA, UK, and Germany, along with manufacturing units in India and China. They have offices in sourcing countries like Thailand, China, Hong Kong, and Japan. Let's look at the quick video to understand about their product delivery to the consumers and also about the retail markets.
At Vaibhav Global Limited, we see ourselves the company that market fashion jewelry, lifestyle and essential products to consumer into a most exciting economy of United States, United Kingdom and Germany.
Here we're like a family. A lot of us have been here for years, and when we say Shop LC family, we genuinely mean it.
I like it because you get unusual things at a very good price, and you can be in fashion, and it doesn't cost very much.
TJC gives you the feeling that you belong somewhere and you're part of this great team, which, I don't know, we just deliver joy every day and we bring people.
I want to see VGL become a global leader in discount electronic retail of jewelry and lifestyle product all over the world.
I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Buying the stocks is like owning the business. We must understand the effective business of the company before we become the shareholder. Let's look at the stock price. It is trading at the range between 360 to 370 levels. It's a very good company for long term, and it is currently available at a very good reasonable price. It's not a buy or sell recommendation. You can check with your financial consultant and then make out your decision. I'll get you some good stock in the next video. Stock market is subject to market risk, and our current market situation seems more risky if you're investing the money for short term. So please be careful. Don't get trapped by the operators in the volatile market. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. Happy investing. Take care. Bye-bye.